Welcome back to Hidden Wisdom Academy Biology. In this special episode, we'll revise the entire topic, cell, the unit of life. We'll see how all cell organelles are connected through one easy concept map. From the nucleus to the cell membrane, energy production to secretion, everything comes together in this quick and simple visual summary for your revision. Also, don't miss our daily NEET MCQs and PYQs series for daily revision. So, let's dive in. Here's a concept map that shows how all organelles work together. At the center is the cell, the basic unit of life. The nucleus controls everything using DNA and RNA. Mitochondria and chloroplasts provide energy for the cell. The ribosomes, and Golgi apparatus handle making and moving materials. Lysosomes and vacuoles help in digestion and storage, keeping the cell balanced. The cytoskeleton, cilia, and centrioles give the cell shape, movement, and coordination. Altogether, they make the cell a complete, self-working system, a tiny living factory. At the center of every eukaryotic cell is the nucleus, the control room of the cell. It is covered by a double membrane with tiny pores that allow selective exchange. Inside is chromatin, made of DNA and proteins, which stores all genetic information. The nucleus controls cell activities by deciding which genes work and when. The nucleus inside the nucleus makes RNA and ribosomal parts, which then move to the cytoplasm to make proteins. Together, the nucleus and nucleus act as the brain of the cell, managing control, coordination, and inheritance. The endoplasmic reticulum, ER, is a large network of membranes that connects the nucleus to the rest of the cell. It works like an internal highway, helping move materials inside the cell. The rough ER, with ribosomes on its surface, makes and transports proteins. The smooth ER, without ribosomes, makes lipids, helps in detoxification, and stores calcium. Together, they keep the cell's production and transport system running smoothly. The Golgi apparatus works like the cell's post office. It receives, modifies, and sends out materials. It has a stack of flat sacs called cisternae. Vesicles from the rough ER bring proteins to the CIS face of the Golgi, where they are changed and packed. New vesicles then leave from the trans face, carrying the finished products for secretion or use inside the cell. The Golgi also makes lysosomes and helps form the cell wall in plants. In short, it makes sure every material reaches its correct place on time. Lysosomes, vacuoles, and microbodies act as the cell's maintenance team. Lysosomes digest unwanted materials and old organelles using strong enzymes. Vacuoles store water, food, and wastes in plants. The large central vacuole also keeps the cell firm. Microbodies like peroxisomes and glyoxysomes help detoxify harmful substances and change fats into sugars. Together, they keep the cell clean, balanced, and working properly. Mitochondria and chloroplasts are the cell's main energy centers. Mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell, make ATP from glucose during respiration. They have their own DNA and ribosomes, so they can work partly on their own. In plants, chloroplasts capture sunlight and make glucose through photosynthesis. They also have their own DNA and ribosomes, showing their shared origin. Together, they keep the cell's energy flowing, from sunlight to usable power. The cytoskeleton, cilia, flagella, and centrioles help the cell keep its shape and move. The cytoskeleton is a network of protein filaments that supports the cell and helps organelles move inside it. Cilia and flagella help with movement. Cilia move materials on the cell surface, while flagella move the whole cell. Centrioles, present only in animal cells, help in cell division by organizing spindle fibers. Together, they give the cell shape, support, and motion. The cell is a perfect example of teamwork. Every organelle works together to keep life going. The nucleus controls all activities, while the ER and Golgi make and transport important materials. Mitochondria and chloroplasts supply energy. Lysosomes, vacuoles, and microbodies handle cleaning, storage, and detoxification. The cytoskeleton, cilia, and centrioles give shape, help in movement, and assist in cell division. Together, they form a complete, well-organized system, the cell, the smallest unit of life. Here's your challenge question for today. Which of the following organelles is not part of the endomembrane system? Is it option A, lysosomes? Is it option B, endoplasmic reticulum? Is it option C, Golgi apparatus? Is it option D, mitochondria? Comment your answers, or send them to us on Telegram or Instagram. That's the end of our quick revision and concept map of all cell organelles. Now you know how every part of the cell works together. In the next episode, we'll start Biomolecules Part 1. We will be exploring what living matter is made of, the difference between organic and inorganic compounds, and some simple biochemical tests. Stay tuned, the world of molecules is waiting for you.